6 months ago, I applied for a cybersecurity internship. I had CEH, college projects, decent GPA. I mean, I was confident, I was chilling, but they rejected me. No feedback, no reason, just not selected. I don't know why. I went back and looked at the job description. One line stood out: hands on experience preferred. I knew the tools, I had read about them, watched videos about them, but I had never actually built anything real. Never had an environment where I could just break things, practice, make mistakes without consequences. That's when I realized the difference between someone who studies cybersecurity and someone who actually does it. So I built a home lab right here on my college laptop, no money spent, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. Here's what we are building today: two virtual machines running inside your laptop simultaneously. Machine 1, Kali Linux. This is the attacker, the same OS professional penetration testers use globally. It comes loaded with every hacking tool you've ever heard of: Nmap, Metasploit, Burpsuit, Wireshark, all pre installed. Machine 2, Metasploitable. This is the target, a Linux machine that was deliberately built broken. Outdated services, weak passwords, open ports everywhere. It exists specifically so people like us can practice attacking it legally. Kali attacks, Metasploitable gets attacked. That's your home lab. Let's build it. First, we need VirtualBox. Think of this as the container, the software that lets us run both machines simultaneously inside a laptop. Go to virtualbox.org, hit downloads, grab your version. Free, open source, no credit card, no trial. Kali Linux. Go to kali.org, get Kali. Here's what most people go wrong. You'll see installer images, live boot, virtual machine. We want virtual machine pre-built because we are running this inside VirtualBox, not installing it directly on a laptop. Select VirtualBox image, click download. Around 3 GB. Let it run while Kali Linux downloads will download Metasploitable. New tab, search Metasploitable 2 SourceForge. Download it. Typical 800 MB, much faster than Kali. Now, as you can see, we have all our downloaded files over here. So we'll just double click on the VirtualBox file and we can see that the interface has opened of VirtualBox. We'll just agree and accept all these terms and conditions so that our installation is easy. This is all like formal and formality stuff. You just need to check yes, yes, yes in every box, and according to your preferences, installation will take some time. As you can see, our VirtualBox has been installed. We'll just finish this and the VirtualBox icon has appeared on my desktop. Next, we'll go and install Kali Linux. First, we'll just extract the whole file. As you can see, after extraction, we have a file. Double click it, and inside you'll find one virtual disk image on which you'll have to double click so that it will automatically import itself into the VirtualBox. Now we'll run our Kali Linux machine by pressing the start button inside the VirtualBox. The user and password to our Kali Linux virtual machine is Kali, both user and password. As you can see, our machine is up and running without any problems. I can just type in who am I. This is a bash command and it will tell me that yes, I'm Kali, and I can also write down list command. It will list down all the directories and folders. Next up is Metasploitable. This step might be a bit complex, but don't worry. First, we'll have to extract all the files from Metasploitable, then double click it. Now this time we just can't double click a file and then it will appear in our VirtualBox. We'll have to manually add the image inside our VirtualBox. We'll go to VirtualBox and select a new machine. We'll name it Metasploitable 2. For the OS, we'll choose Linux, and OS distribution, we'll choose other Linux. Now go down and select specify virtual hard disk and then use an existing virtual hard disk. Now select your file from the folder in which you have downloaded it. Click on add, click on Metasploitable 2 and then select the Metasploitable image. Click on OK and next. And as you can see, our Metasploitable 2 is up and running successfully. We'll just run it. The password to Metasploitable 2 is MSF admin and the user is also MSF admin, both the same. I'll also write who am I in Metasploitable also. It shows as MSF admin. For the configuration, if we want these two machines to communicate with each other, we'll have to put them on a same network. For that, we'll have to do some configurations. Go to File, then click on Tools, and then select Network. In the Network tab, click on Create, and then name your network. I've named it Test Network, and specify the IPv4 prefix 192.168.1.0/24. Now this creates a subnet for us. Don't forget to enable the DHCP and then apply. Now what is a subnet? I'll explain it in the upcoming videos. Now go to the Networks tab of Kali Linux and choose the attached option to NAT network and select the name as test network, the one we just made. Repeat the same process with Metasploitable and we are ready to go. To test if our machines are working perfectly fine, we will need to run them. Open up Metasploitable and write down ifconfig. This will provide us with the IP of the virtual machine. Just note it down somewhere. Boot up the Kali machine and execute a ping command in the terminal. As we can see that our machines are successfully communicating with each other. You can also execute an Nmap scan on the same IP and get the results about open ports on the machine. To be honest, you can do anything you want: attack, defend, practice. It's up to you. The sky is the limit. Congratulations, you just built your own home lab. So the next time someone asks you, what have you done? Instead of writing that I built a home lab, write this instead: deployed virtualized pen testing environment using VirtualBox, Kali Linux, and Metasploitable 2. I know this is all LARPing and just fancy words throwing here and there, but this is how the corporate worlds work. So, thank you guys. This is it for the video. I'll meet you in the next one.